Odoo, Keynotes. The next generation of business management software. Explore Odoo's latest innovations. From a revolutionary point of sale for modern businesses to integrating ChatGPT's AI power, this year's updates are extraordinary. Dive into revamped modules like accounting with new localization packages and scam protection. Discover new apps, meeting rooms, front desk, and to-do, elevating your business experience. The future of Odoo is here, pulsating with excitement. Point of sale revamp. Point of sale got a major upgrade. Imagine ordering and paying through QR codes or a cool self-service kiosk. Kitchen display app makes order processing smooth, handling online or large orders. Customizing menus is a breeze with features like combos and supercharged variants. Plus, a slick integration with appointments for online table bookings. Exciting, huh? AI strikes back. ChatGPT in Odoo. ChatGPT is now seamlessly integrated with Odoo, revolutionizing text generation across apps. Unlock endless possibilities for creative content in knowledge articles, marketing, and emails. The website app makes building pages easy with auto-generated, business-specific content. Plus, the AI copywriter tool provides diverse text suggestions for all your needs. Embrace the AI revolution. Website news. Exciting news for Odoo users. The website scraper is live, making migrations a breeze. WebP images are now automatically compressed for faster loading and better SEO. More features include revamped templates, a sleek header and footer, enhanced shape library, variant tags, multiple email domains, and a fresh look for customer portal, e-commerce, events, forums, and appointments. Odoo's website is leveling up. Get ready for a game changer. Boost sales with these powerful secret weapons. Get ready for Odoo's game-changing upgrades this year. Elevate your sales with the revolutionary quotation builder, creating personalized quotes effortlessly. Seamlessly integrate pictures, detailed product descriptions, and custom messages. Say goodbye to tedious searches with the transformed product catalog experience. One click gives you a comprehensive view of all your products, simplifying your quoting process. Upgrade to a smoother, more efficient sales journey with Odoo's latest enhancements. WhatsApp. Exciting news. WhatsApp and Odoo are now a seamless team. Get ready for a game changer. Send confirmations, shipping details, invoices, and more, all from the contact view. Elevate customer connections with powerful message handling capabilities. Supply chain. Explore the new manufacturing order overview, your central hub for streamlined data on component status and reordering. Say goodbye to tablet view and welcome the shop floor app, a game changer for work center operators. Introducing barcode scanning for a cutting-edge approach to handling orders, employees, attendance, payroll, and all things HR. Accounting. New apps, meeting rooms, front desk, to-do.
For more info on Odoo, visit our website www.o2btechnologies.com or contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.